Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 3 for May-June 2025 variant 3.2. I'm going to solve the web page task. The evidence document and the spreadsheet is already done and uploaded. You can find the link in the description. So we'll be starting with task 3, file management. All the files are copied into a working folder called J2532, and the evidence document was created for the previous task spreadsheet. So evidence document is also ready here. Now locate only the following files and store them in your TR folder. So first you need to create a folder called TR. So create a new folder called TR. Now you need to copy banner, racing, the video file racing, tech and the text file. Tech and the text file you can drag to the TR folder. So now this is your TR folder. Display the contents of your TR folder showing the folder name and file names, file extensions, file size, frame height, frame width and image dimension. So in order to show all these options, you can just right click, view, and choose the option content. So in content, all the image size, dimensions, frame height, width, the type of the file, all are shown. So you can take a screenshot of this. Make sure the folder name is visible. And this is step 18 evidence. Step 18 evidence. Place it in your evidence document. Create in your TR folder a web page called racing.htm. This web page must be created using a single table and must work in all browsers. The table must be center aligned and fit 85% of the browser window. The table must have a structure as shown in this diagram. So the width of the table must be 85% and it should be center aligned. Now you can see the table. This is a table with 4 rows and 2 columns. So let's create the table. I'm using Microsoft Web Expression here. So open a new web page, new HTML. Go to the design mode. First, let's save it as J25 Racing. So file save as, inside your working folder, TR J25 Racing. Save. Now let's create the table. So go to table, insert table, 4 rows and 2 columns. The width must be 85%, so 85, and the alignment must be center. Give OK. Now you can see the top row is merged. So select these 2 cells, right click, modify, merge cells. I'll just name the cells so that it is easy for us to understand the so we can identify the cells by inserting the different elements. Each table is identified with a letter which must not appear on your final web page. Table borders must not appear on the final web page. Place inline style attributes to the HTML to set both the width and height of cell C to 480 pixels. So you can go to the code. Cell C is this one, and this is the TD is the cell. So you need to place inline style attribute. Inline style attribute means it should start with style equal to, and then it should be given this way. So we have to set the width and height of cell C to 480 pixels. So I'm copying this code so that we can paste it here for cell C. So here style equal to, the width must be 480 px. Same way, the height also 480 pixel. So this is the inline style attribute. Now in cell A, we have to insert the image J25 banner.jpg. So in cell A, remove the letter A, go to insert, picture, select your folder, J25 banner. You can give the alternate text as banner image. Give OK. In cell C, the video and source tags to display J25 racing. So in cell C, so you have to go to cell C. This is cell C, remove the letters key. Just make some space to write the code for the video. So first you need to insert the video tag, video. Then inside video tag, you have to insert the source tag. So when you insert video, its closing tag will be automatically spaced. Now in the source tag, you have to provide the name of the file or the source of the video file. So for that, you have to give src equal to the name of the video. The name of the video is j25 racing.mp4. So you can give the name of the video here. And also in the source tag, we need to specify the type of the video. So you can give type equal to, it's a video file, the type is mp4, so mp4. Make sure the controls are visible and the video loops when played. So controls means the stop button, pause button, etc. So the controls must be shown. In order to show the controls in the video tag, you have to add the keyword controls and then a space. You have to add the word loop so that the video will loop once played. Display an automated text-based error message if the browser does not support this video. So you can give an error message here within the video tag. You can type your browser does not support this video. This can be the error message. Enter in cell B the text from the file j25 text.txt. So open this file, copy. It has to be pasted in cell B. Go to the design view. In cell B, you can paste the text. It should be H3. The style can be selected from here, H3. Next, enter in cell D the text new technologies. So in cell D, you have to enter the text new technologies. In cell E, contact us. In cell F, designed by. And in cell G, your name, sender number and candidate number. So your name, sender number and candidate number. Set all these text as style H2. So select this. And set it to H2. Make the text new technologies a link to open the web page j25tech.htm. So select the word new technologies, right click, hyperlink. It has to be linked to an existing file. So click on existing file or web page j25tech. Give OK. Next, make the text contact us a link to an email editor to prepare an email to this email ID. So you need to select the text contact us, right click, hyperlink. So to send an email address, you can click here, email address, type the email address given. The subject is given as tell me more. So you can enter the subject here. Give OK. Attach the style sheet J25 racing to your web page. So you can see the style sheet, attach style sheet option here. Else you will find it in format, CSS styles, attach style sheet. Click on browse and select the style sheet J25 racing. Give OK. Edit the style sheet so that the table is center aligned in the browser window. So open the style sheet. So the table should be center aligned. You can modify the style. Right click on table, go to modify style. Click on box. For the table to be center aligned, both the margins should be, the right and left margin should be set as automatic so that the table will be automatically aligned to the center. So remove the selection. Right margin should be auto and left margin should be auto. Give OK. Save the style sheet. Set the text in cell F so that the class right is applied to style H2. We had applied style H2 for the text in cell F. Now we have to change it to the style defined for the class right. So cell F is the first cell in the last row. So this is the cell which we need to change. So select this, go to styles given here, give apply styles. So select the text and click on the style so that the style is applied. Save your web page, take a copy of your HTML source and place this in your evidence document. So in order to get the copy of HTML source, go to the code view, copy all the code, Control A, and copy. Now you can place in the evidence document. So it is step 27, evidence. Paste the code in the document. Display your web page in a browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read. The address bar is visible. Take a screenshot, evidence showing your web page in the browser. So make sure you have saved this file before taking the screenshot of the web page. You can open in your browser. You can zoom in or zoom out just to make sure all the data fits within the web page and it is visible. Let's take the screenshot for this. Make sure the address bar is visible. After the code, you can paste the web page view of the HTML code. So the web page task is done. Printing the evidence document. So this is your evidence document. We have an evidence from the previous task spreadsheet and the remaining web page task evidence is given here. So this is the end of the task. You can find the link for the spreadsheet in the description. Thank you for now.